Hey guys, so in this video we're solving this practice question that I received from a student. We're going to be solving this question using mainly the financial calculator. So you can pause the video, try and do it yourself, and then watch it. Okay, so let's read it. It says you have just sold your house for $1 million in cash. Your mortgage was originally a 30-year mortgage with monthly payments and an initial balance of $800,000. The mortgage is currently 18 and a half years old. You just made a payment. If the interest on the mortgage is 7.75 APR with semi-annual compounding, how much cash will you have once you pay off the mortgage? So basically the idea here is we need to figure out how much we owe, right? Because if we're selling it for $1 million, if we can figure out the balance on our mortgage, you're going to sell the house for $1 million, pay off your balance, and then the rest is yours, okay? We started off with an initial balance of $800,000. So that would be the initial present value of our mortgage, so $800,000. It was a 30-year mortgage. So N should be 30 times 12, right? With monthly payments, so that's the 12. The initial interest rate was 7.75 with semi-annual compounding. So we're going to set our CY to 2 and our PY to 12 because we're making monthly payments. Remember that CY is your compounding frequency, PY is your payment frequency. Future value is 0, and we'll compute the payment. That's kind of step one in any mortgage question. So let's grab our calculators. Okay, so 800,000 present value, 360N, 7.75 IY. PY is 12, that's good. CY is 2, that's good. You want to make sure those are set. 0 future value, compute payment. Okay, so we have a mortgage payment of $5,663.87. Now we need to figure out 18 and a half years old, 18 and a half years. So if I did 18.5 times 12, 18.5 times 12 means 222 payments have passed, right? We've just made our 222nd payment. So we want to ask the calculator, how much do we owe right now? So we'll go back to the calculator. We'll keep our present value as it is. In fact, we're going to keep everything exactly the way we had them. We're not even going to touch anything. I'm just going to write it again, but you don't actually need to type this in again on your calculator. 7.75, CY2, PY12. Yeah, actually, I made a mistake here. The N is the only thing we're going to change. Wait, right? We've made 222 payments. So 222 periods have passed. The payment, we want to enter it, and you want to make sure you leave it as a negative number, the way the calculator kind of spat it out. And we're going to compute the future value. Essentially, you're asking the calculator, all right, now that I know my payment, what is my future value after making 222 such payments? Let me move this a little bit to the left so we can see it, like that. Okay, so step one, figure out the payment. Step two, then figure out the future value. So let's grab the calculator, bring it back. You see, everything is stored. I'm not going to mess with anything. I'm just going to change my N to 222. Compute future value. So the future value that I get now is $519,382.49. This is how much we still owe. This is what we would call the balance of the mortgage. So now if you're selling the house for $1 million minus $519,382.49, you'd be left with $480,617.51 in your pocket after the sale. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video.